Hello friends, on this video how you can solve your honor phone overheating problem. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here what you need to do is that you have to check your updates. Okay, this update used to overheat your phone, that's why friends, do not forget to check your update. So how you can check your software update, or there is the updates. Okay, you can check through setting also. Example, like here I just search for the on the search setting for the updates. Okay, so here I search for the update, then after that here you are going to find many of the updates. Example like security update, software update, system and updates. Okay, but which one you want is that any of the updates you have to check. Okay, suppose I want to check this software updates. After that we will check this system and system and updates also. We will check from here. Check for updates is the on the down blue in color. Just tap on check for updates. After you check for updates, here your software is up to date. Okay, it says up to date, it's okay. And here you can check even the system and updates also. The second icon, from here you can check it also. Here is the software update. Okay, the same thing, it's okay friends. So this is how you can check your updates. If there is update, then you have to update it. Okay friends, you can update through Wi-Fi, through mobile data also. If you want to update, here is the update overnight. If you want to set automatic, but friends, you should turn off automatic update so that your phone should not be overheat. Okay, that's why you have to turn off. And friends, here the second option I want to tell you is that you have to move on Play Store. After you move on Play Store, from here you have to click on your Play Store profile. After you tap on your Play Store profile, here you are going to find this manage apps and device. So friends, tap on manage apps and device. After that, from here you are going to find this icon, updates available, but we are not clicking on updates available. But you have to click if you found updates available, and you should update your apps also if you want to update. But it's okay. Okay, but it's okay. Just tap on manage. Sorry, you have to click on setting. Just click on the back, tap on profile, and here you have to move on setting. Okay friends, when you move on setting, from here you are going to find this network preferences. So friends, you have to tap on this network preferences under the Play Store. After you tap on this network preferences, here you are going to find this icon, auto update apps and this auto play videos. Okay, you should turn off this all. Okay, it should not be automatic. You have to turn off it. Okay, if it's automatic, then your phone it will be overheat. That's why just turn off. Example like I have turned off this one. Okay, over any network, over Wi-Fi only, ask me anytime, ask me every time. Okay, and here auto update apps also, don't auto update apps. And here auto play videos also, don't auto play videos. Okay, it should not be automatic. You just turn off this all. After you turn off your phone, almost I think it overheat will be little bit, I think chance to little bit not so hot, I mean not overheat. Okay, your phone will not overheat. And friends, hope you understand how you can make your phone not to overheat. And friends, there is many options and many methods that I can show you, but friends, I cannot show you right now because the video will be too long if I will explain this all not to overheat. Okay, and friends, one option is that not to overheat your phone. Whenever you are charging your mobile phone, you should not play your mobile phone. Example like you are watching videos or talking with someone, or you are just playing games. You should not do that whenever you are charging your phone. Okay, and friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.